Hello. How's it going, everyone? Hope that you guys are doing fan-frickin-tastic. So, I am doing something a little bit different today. I am a professional web developer, and I haven't coded on stream in a while. So I figured we would do something, do something development-wise. I kind of want to do something, collaborative. So using this open source library called Partykit that kind of handles a lot of the back end for the collaboration. So I think what I want to do is I want to build out some kind of like a sticky note. This is something simple, right? Just like some kind of sticky note thing that will that two people can collaborate with, right? Like two people can do in real time, can like add notes and move notes around. So I'm going to do some of the basic work, and then I'm also going to use AI to help me with some of it as well, just to kind of speed things up. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add in a thing called shadcm. Actually, let's do first thing. First thing, I'm going to ask AI. I just used AI to write some boilerplate code, but let's get a light and dark mode toggle and everything set up. So if we just kind of ask it, hey, add light and dark mode, it will run through. It will ask me if I'm cool with it doing some of these modifications, and very likely that I will say yes. Okay, hold on, let's swap these around. I don't know. Okay, whatever. That's not how that was supposed to be, but yes, sure. We'll say yes. Got some just chill lo-fi music going in the background because obviously coding doesn't have any music, except in my head it does. Yeah, so this is gonna add just like an actual toggle for the theme for light and dark with a little sun and a moon. I'm gonna just say go for it. And I will do, like I said, I'll do some of the pretty good code. I'll do some of the stuff, but we're definitely gonna let AI help us out a lot. AI is becoming a very useful tool in development. I know people are worried about their jobs and all that, but I'm going to use it like any other tool. So we're just going to see what we can come up with in like 2 hours. So I really should write out a plan and do feature by feature, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Actually, I don't know. You never know. All right. So far, we're getting somewhere with my Steam. I'm capturing the window now, so I gotta remember not to show everything. I don't ever capture windows. It's really weird to me. So far, look, we've got a dark mode page already. And we're getting there, and we're about to add this toggle in. Yo, Rupert, what's happening? Look at that. Look at that. So useful. Should be about done with that. Okay, yeah. So, if we come here and you can see we've got a light and a dark mode. I actually really like this toggle, so this is cool. Okay, so that's fine. What we want to do now is, and in fact, I'm going to clear the context. Clear. And I'm going to close this out. Doing great, just time with 3DS game. Nice, I understand. Let's go ahead and open up another terminal here. And we'll just open up Claude here so that I can have my stuff here. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to go ahead and go to components, and I'm going to get card. Card is going to be a really good component for us because like I said, I'm thinking about using, I'm doing very specifically doing like a notes, like a sticky notes thing. So let's build out our sticky note first, right? So we're going to use a card as our thing here, right? I could use AI to build me a sticky note, but I want to do at least some of this myself. So let's go ahead and let's just in this thing. Grab that here. Go back here. Oops. Let's end it. Let's add this card here. What are your options on what to play next? Okay. Yeah, create components.json. Oh, no Tailwind. Okay, so we're going to actually have to add in Tailwind, which is totally fine. So let's go ahead and just do that. Let's just copy this. And let's just add in Tailwind, because I knew I'd need to add Tailwind. AI kind of annoys the crap out of me with Tailwind. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it myself. So let's add Tailwind here. This. Some of the games like Mario and Luigi Dream Team are similar to Bowser's size. Yeah, it's pretty similar. I would definitely say that it's pretty similar. This is pretty slow on Windows installing these packages. I really thought about using my Mac to stream from today because it would be a lot quicker, but I decided not to. Okay, so we're going to replace everything inside of source index CSS with this. So let's go to source index .css. Why? Okay. Oh, but I don't want to do that because we've got all these things. So let's just go to I should be able to go to the top and do this. And hopefully that'll work. Now we need to go to tsconfig. We need to add in these things. Right? So if we go to tsconfig.json. I don't have a tsconfig. Okay. Yeah, let's just go ahead and create a tsconfig file. My sticker star. I didn't really like sticker star for some reason. Config dot the JSON file, right? Yeah, okay. I don't have a tsconfig.app.json either, which is interesting. So tsconfig.app.json. tsconfig.app.json. Boom. And then vite config. Do I have a vite config? Let's do this. Oh, Super Paper Mario is great. Right, I do have a vite config. Okay. We're just getting some stuff started, right? Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Define config. All right. Oh, we've already got plugged in. Okay, that's fine. Boom. We're getting things going. Hopefully, I'm not gonna break anything. I mean, I probably will, but that's okay. All right. Neutral, gray, zinc, stone, or slate. Let's just go neutral, which means it should just go with what I already have set up. Okay, and then let's return to classic DS titles. Play a few Sonic titles. Ooh, Sonic. Sonic, good stuff. Sonic's good stuff. Why is this a problem? I think this should not break anything. Okay. Let's let it install some dependencies. And I think I should be able to, I did that. Now I can add components. Okay. Yeah, okay, so now we come here. Should, once this is done. Yo, what's up, Lance? How's it going, bud? We're doing some programming today. We're getting a little boilerplate code, boring stuff set up. And then I think we're going to build something like maybe some sticky notes that people can like modify in real time and stuff. I'm doing well. How are you? Let's see what is hot classic sticky note. Oh wait, don't we have sticky note? So hold on. Yo, what's up, Steffi? Gonna have to watch this VOD later? Nice. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, I think. Okay. I don't want to do all that. I just want a sticky note. Yeah, there you go. This is what I kind of want for reference. GG's too? On what? Okay, so anyways, we now have reference. This is just, I just kind of wanted this color scheme and stuff, right? Okay, so this is now set up. Let's go ahead and add a card. Ready to visit my fam? Nice. Nice. Okay, now let's go ahead and run and of course it's broken. Oh my gosh, my node version is too low. Okay, sorry guys. Let's install a higher version of Node just because I need to anyway. Let's just do it. This is the kind of crap that developers have to end up dealing with. We're just gonna install this live because why the heck not? Because why is the heck not? Steffi, are you off tomorrow? You are? Nice, me too. And of course, I'm gonna go play some volleyball a little bit later. Are we doing something? We could. We could. Could totally play something tomorrow or do something or whatever. Totally could. Okay, now. I probably need a new window here, and this should be, let's also clear out a new window. Okay, and then let's say Claude, I'll open up Claude again. And then also npm run dev. Woohoo! So, why is Tailwind CSS not defined? Yeah, everything's broken, guys. It's called hack typing on useless web. Slide in my DMs. Oh, I got you. I got you. What did I break? Broke something though. This is what's broken right now. Let's remove this for a second, just to see. No, okay, wait. So wait, hold on. Why is what's going on here? Tailwind CSS. What's not defined? Do I need to do like install? Just make sure everything's good? Nope. Yeah, I mean, are you really doing coding? I mean, oh, I just did install. Okay. Here's the beauty. We're gonna say, okay, failed to load config from vconfig. Okay, hold on. Tailwind CSS. I probably need to import this or something. Here, watch this. This is kind of the beauty. I'm gonna go here to Claude. Claude is gonna divine the issue. See, it hasn't been imported. Import path from path. Okay. Let's see if this fixes it. I don't know. We're gonna try though. No, why would you do that? Okay, let's just see. Let's see what happens. It wants to remove that, and I don't think. Oh, okay. Let's just see. Haha! It's failing dependency scan. I don't know what that means. tsconfig.node.json. Am I missing something here? Hold on. What? When I set this up, why is there? Okay. I mean, is it still run? Am I still able to see the app? Let's find out. Okay. I don't know what the deal is. I could also, real quick, see what this means. Oops, I didn't want to do that. AI is incredibly funny. It likes to give you extra colons. Hey, listen. I don't know. I don't think tsconfig.node.json is a necessary file. I mean, oh, actually, it's not necessary, but it's useful. Okay. We'll let it create that. That's fine. That's just some node options, which really shouldn't be any kind of issue now. So yeah, there we go. We're good now. Okay. So I let AI just build out a basic homepage with some routing and with some light and dark mode. Now we're gonna get into doing a little bit of stuff. So I've already added in like this card component. Yeah, success. So let's look at the usage of the card component real quick, right? So let's go ahead and import some of this stuff. So we're gonna come to our app.js. Actually, we're gonna go to home. And then instead of this home, let's just go ahead and we're going to import card. But let's just go ahead and get here. Should be no issue. And then I mean, it's going to be card. And then it's obviously going to be like card content, card title, card header, right? So I'm just going to let AI tell me, like, it already knows, right? So if I come back to the page and come here, we have a card. Now, we don't have a card. This is rubbish. Hold on. Rubbish, I tell you. I keep forgetting I'm in the wrong. Yeah, okay. This should be no different, but let's see. What does it look like? I mean, what should it look like? It should look something, to like this effect with like the borders and stuff. And I don't see any of that. What's happening? Something's going on, guys. I copy and paste. It's gonna be exactly the same thing, right? Not gonna be any different. Yeah. So what's going on? Let's do a little investigation here. We don't need it to be like that. Let's do a little investigation. Why? We should have. Okay. We got a table named card. So it's got classes here, but none of it is working. So my issue is that Tailwind CSS is not working. What happened anyway? It's not working. So let's come back down here to Claude. Let's go with card. We'll give it some context. Specifically, look at card. The Tailwind styles aren't working. Can you investigate why? Let's see. We're gonna use AI for like troubleshooting and stuff, right? And doing some of the menial crap that I don't want to do right now. It's pretty good about it. It's gonna tell me about post CSS. Watch, it's gonna say post CSS is a problem. How much you want to bet, guys? We gonna find out. Yeah, you haven't added it. Okay. Okay. He's found something, and then found this. Okay. Look at that. We're already a little better. I can deal with that. Well, I can be a pain sometimes, especially when it comes to troubleshooting. It can be, but actually, I feel like it's kind of nice. Okay, so now, oh, wrong thing. So now we actually have a working card. It's not very pretty, but what we're going to do instead is actually we are going to create a new component within here, and so we'll make this a new, and this will be sticky note.jsx, and we're just going to go RSCE. And then we are, instead of, so we're actually going to import all that stuff within here, right? Where did I go? I don't want that one. We're gonna grab all this, and instead of importing it directly here, we're going to import it in our card. There's sticky note. We're gonna extend it. Okay, see you later. Yeah, don't postpone. We're gonna extend this this card component a little bit, right? And so if we do this, and then we just import sticky note from component. What's going on? Oh yeah, I gotta finish it. And actually, it can be a self-closing one. There we go. This should look exactly the same, but this is gonna let me. I'm gonna do a little bit of extending in here. So we're gonna make this sticky note, and we're gonna just like go to sticky note, and we're going to. We should, if I recall correctly, I should be able to say class name, and then we're gonna say width of like 30. Can I just do that right here on this? Okay. Little not as good as we want, but let's go to say we want this to be width 1/3. Oops. No. I hit insert and I don't want it. Where's insert? Okay. 1/3. So it should only be 1/3 now, which is still a little bit much, but I'm okay with that. So let's work on this a little bit, right? So we need to do some flex. So how about I make this kind of small, because right now it doesn't need to be huge. And let's make this also, we'll put them here, and then we'll shrink it. Okay, that's fine. And actually, instead of 1/3, let's do it with fit. So now it should fit the content, but we'll say like max width. Wait, let's see. Max width of like 1/3. Something, no. 2. Max width of like, I don't know. Look, everything causes robots snooping as usual. Sounds about right. Okay, so let's like clean this up a little bit. So we're gonna say also we're gonna give it flex and flex call and flex wrap. Why is it not flex wrapping? Why are you not flex wrapping? This should be all wrapped up. Oh, this is all on the title. Okay, there's a whole bunch of crap in the title. Well, we don't need all this. Let's do that. Okay, so this will be like sticky note title, easy. This will be where this is going to be a text area, right? We will make this a little wider, so about like, okay. I like this. And then we'll do some styling on this text area soon. But, and then card footer, we're just gonna, this will be like where our, I don't know, save, cancel, reset buttons. So, and we'll do height of like 60. I don't know, that should be fine. And then we'll do some flex, and justify between. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're gonna make a component just for this text area, I think, just to make it a little bit really segmented. I might begin. Oh, let's see. Gotta go text area. Let's rename this JSX, and then in here we're gonna make a component. So we don't need this import here, and this will just be. We'll leave a div in here, and we'll say this will be a text area. Okay. And then we'll import inside of sticky note, we'll import text area. Okay, it should look the same. We haven't done anything. Oh, wait, if we... Okay, now it looks the same. Okay, easy. Let's give it, well, we want to make this like yellow, right? Or we could let it be different colors. In fact, I think that's what we're gonna do. Maybe we randomly generate colors, right? Not so much of a big deal right now, but let's say if I should be able to say background, wait, let's see. I think it's BG dash, and then we can say like, maybe this yellow. Come on. You gotta move, cat. There you go. Hey, buddy. This looks kind of fun too. It's like you get to explore web development and generate stuff. I love it. That's one of the things I love about web development. I think that's pretty close. Oh no, it's okay. Okay, you know what we'll do is we'll take the BG and we'll move it. We'll say for header, class name equals. I don't need all this crap. Okay. Oops. BG yellow. Let's go with like 200. Ooh, that's okay. We'll fix it in a second. And then for the content, actually, for the whole thing, we'll say BG yellow. Maybe yellow 100. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then so there's like some padding and crap that I don't want. Right? Okay. So if I say rounded, blah, blah. This is the, let's see, gap 6. If I take some of this gap out, no, that's actually not changing anything. Border PY, that's the PY here. Yeah, so we need, it's PY of 4, but can I adjust PY on here? PY 5? 4? No, that actually isn't working. Okay. I think we want to adjust that very specifically on the actual card here. Ooh, why is this being crazy? Can I use JSS unless, what? Why is this a problem? Oh, because this is .tsx. Interesting. Well, but it's TypeScript. Okay. It's fine. It's really not a problem. Let's go to where we have the card itself, and we've got this PY of 6. How about of 5? How about of 4? 3? 2? That's okay. Well, how about no padding? And then we just give it a we need a border top to be like, okay, how about this one? Border rounded. Oh no, it's just rounded. Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. You like that Chihuahua meme where a dog pops in the window looking crazy? That's me pulling the stream. Can I do round? Okay, hold on. Let's see if Tailwind CSS border chop rounded. Can I just do a single? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, rounded. T. Ballin'. Good to see you. Okay. So far we're looking good. I gotta put a little padding, but that's okay. We'll go back to sticky note here. And we'll say on this one, we're gonna say py of 2. And then what's going on here? What is this? What is causing this? What is causing this giant PB? So if I say like, no, that's not. Yeah, no, I know. I can only make it so big without it being kind of insane, but also if you're on the phone, it's not gonna matter, you know what I mean? Okay. So we're just kind of working on a sticky note first, and then I'm gonna work on making it like drag and droppable, and I'm gonna work on making a real-time collaboration type thing. I think it's gonna be kind of fun. But let's work on a sticky note first. All right, I'm assisting. Everyone's falling apart. Everyone around me is falling apart. Okay, what is actually causing this giant normo? So there's a bunch of padding at the bottom. Let's see. You're lurking away. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. How about we say PB? We say exclamation point PB-2. No, that's still a lot. So that's not even affecting anything. Okay. So let's just refresh it real quick. And something's going on. There's some margin and some padding, and this is all crazy. What is this? Why is this PB6 here? If I say I remove this, that didn't even do anything. PX, no, that's the left and right. Why? But why though? But why though? Hey, Mr. Racing TV, hello, welcome. PB1. See, I don't under. How about? Okay, BRB sounds good. MY0. Man, okay. Well, for now, I think we're actually, maybe it's on the card title. Is it the card title? No, the card title's chill. It's not doing that. Let's look at the card and go to the, what do we got? Is the gap what's killing us here? Nope. Okay, what's happening? Okay, let's see. PX, or I'm gonna try. Let's remove this real quick and just see. Yeah, see, it's still not doing nothing. Not doing anything. I'm a little bit confused here. Okay, let's go with this, and it looks like it's the card header. Okay, it's definitely the card header that's doing something. What are we doing? I mean, is it? If I take this out, how bad is it breaking? Perfect. I like it. That's exactly what I needed. Cool. Done. Okay, so what we are going to do is let's make the text area a little bit bigger. So if I class name W full and then H full, That didn't make it full. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Actually, I want to do the same thing with this. If we still not full. Okay, hold on. Let's go. We gonna make this work. Okay. Oh, it's because card content has not. So if I say W full, H full. Oh, okay. Well, that's a little much. But that's okay. Hold on. We got this. Okay. So let's add this. Welcome back. So our issue here was card content needs to be not that. W full, H full. And this is gonna break a little bit, and that's okay. And then we're gonna go. I really thought we said for this to flex wrap and all that, right? So this is okay. So flex wrap, flex column. Is it this? Oh, no worries. Oh, that's too much. Okay, hold on. If I, what do I need to make? Let's see. I've got a width. Oh, maybe it's the fit. Let's just. Nope, not that either. Okay. What am I doing that's making this so wrong? So the card itself has flex, and the flex. I mean, it should be. Yeah, that didn't change anything. We should be wrapping, right? That's okay. Why is it not wrapping? Well, it's like all this junk that's causing me headache already. Fit content, not the problem. Justify content between, not the problem. Gap, not the problem. Is it not taking the let's what is it? Wait, I don't remember. Oh, flex wrap, right? It's just flex wrap. Okay, that's not working either. Okay. And that didn't change anything. Y'all. What's going on? Okay, card header, there, fine. Card content. I mean, it's the full width that's killing it. Nope, it's not even the full width. Is it the height the problem? The height's the problem. Why is height a problem? No. Alright, let's just okay. It's too much. Why? Interesting. It's fine. Okay, wait, there's got to be padding and crap that's probably causing issues. Hold on. There is. Oh, is it the gap? Is it the gap? It's the gap. Hold on. Refresh. H full. I bet there's a gap that's a problem. Where's that gap? There's a gap I saw. Did I take out the gap? No, I didn't. Too much, yeah, it's too much gap. Well, maybe that's actually not the problem. Y'all, what the actual? Hold on, let's look. Okay, this card header content. So if I look at card header content, I mean not card header content, card content. Card content. Oh, but it's full as in the full height. Oh, okay. That's, I say like 80. Okay. Too much? How's that too much? Why is that too, I swear I just, Was that not just working, guys? Is it because I came over to text area and made it full? Let's remove these for a second. Not really the problem. Y'all, I swear. Oh, but the gap. Ah. Does this load quick too? I mean, what do you mean? Sorry. Like the page? Yeah, I mean, it's not really doing much or anything yet, right? Yeah, this gap 6, I think, is issues. And then, well, but why? We're getting closer, but so the card content. Oh, okay. So, but I still don't understand because I swear it was working. Okay. Anyways, that seems okay. And then let's go to text area and give this a H full. Shouldn't change anything. This one H full should make no. Why is that not working? Okay, I mean it's fine. New broken internet mean well, maybe could be okay. I don't know. I will get AI to like make this better later. It's not gonna matter, you know. No, okay. Come on. I hate magic numbers. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, why is that? Okay. Yeah, honestly, we can fix it all up later. But what I want, here's what I want to do. Here's what I want. I want to make the sticky note drag and drop, right? No. Let's make it drag and drop. Okay. So I'm not going to do all that myself because I really don't want to and I don't have to. So let's ask Claude. Can you please make the text? No, the sticky. Actually, hold on. Let's give context. Sticky note. Please make this component drag and drop in the full, let's see, in this home div, in the, I don't know, page below the navigation menu. Let's see how Claude does. All right. So, it's going to take a minute, but I've had actually really good success with making this drag and drop, with making stuff drag and droppable thanks to AI. So, I could learn how to implement this. And it's really not, it's not that like difficult as far as like what to do, but why would I do that when it's already like there? It's even creating a proper drop zone and handle multiple sticky notes. Like, I mean, yeah. Oh, I don't like the. I mean, that's honestly fine. Ooh. Oh. Let's see if it sees this. Dude, it really already has like generated what? Okay, so when I click on a sticky note to move it, it just snaps to a lower position and I can't drag it. It's cool though already. Not just like, yeah. So as soon as this is done, and again, we can like tweak this and everything, but I want to get kind of a little MVP built out real quick and then like deployed and stuff, because I think this would be really cool. I think it'd be fun to see. Yeah. Okay, let's change this drop zone a little bit though. Right? So this is within, I don't know where this is. Let's find this real quick. Oh, shit. Let's just find the CSS. There we go. And let's change this. I want this to like not be a gradient. I want it to have a I don't want it to have a background, but I do let's do that. Leave it as absolute. Oh, you see there's something going on. Yeah, okay. It was almost, we had this. Okay, we gotta fix it a little bit. The trick for 20 I mean, good. Alright, let's go back to our component here and see what has gone wrong. So do I need to make this smaller suddenly? That's weird, but okay. Okay, I mean, that's fine. And what I want is to make this a little clearer. I'm going to come back to here and give it a border of like, what color is this on navigation? Let's give it the same. Border bottom. Okay, let's go to nav real quick. Go to our nav. Where's navigation? And let's go border bottom. And we'll give it, actually, let's just copy this for a second and then I'll grab the things I don't need, which is gonna be a lot. I don't need all this stuff. Okay. Where was I at? I want this one here. What if they broke and stuck together? Okay. I don't want to be border bottom. I want it. Let's get rid of all of this. Does that help at all? Again, I really just want it to be border of, not bottom. Border. No? Okay, that's honestly, it's fine. I think it's okay. Could give it a slightly different background color. Maybe that's what I'll do. What is this background? Background here. No, what's the background of the whole body? Okay, whatever. I don't care too much about that right now. Okay, so what I would care about is first, well, I'm confused at why some of these. Okay, what is? Oh, is it the resizing that's causing problems or something? I actually don't know. I'm so confused. Okay, back to sticky note. If I save this, yeah, now they're like broken again, which is weird. Oh. Oops. How about 35? We'll tweak all of this a little bit better. 32, 30. It's 30 now. See, like it's weird. It doesn't matter because it's not going to be all there. So, what I want is to add in some of this functionality with Partykit. Now, Partykit, let me grab this over here. Partykit is like a library that will allow me to do multiplayer type stuff. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add it, right? So, create Partykit. So let's kill the server. Let's do a create Partykit. Yep. Let's let that happen right now. Where should you create your project? Here? I'm confused. Okay, let's see. Keep all prompts. How about in / Partykit? Oh, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, wait, hold on. Do I need to create a Partykit app that's completely different? I have some other documentation up. Add some other. Okay, set up Partykit server. Okay. Oh, okay, that's. Hold on, let's cancel this. Did it create that already? Did. It's okay, we can just delete that. What we're gonna do is instead, we're gonna just init Partykit. Yo. I'm gonna grab that and put that over here as well, so I can have that. Okay. Add it to package JSON, sure. Okay. And now there's a party. Yep, there's a party here. And then we'll I think we have to run. Yeah, we have to run two different like servers, I think, which is fine. Okay. Let me also just open another terminal. Okay. This will take a second. And then from here, there's an index.ts. Okay. We're gonna have to replace this stuff in a minute. Okay, so let's run dev, and what do we run here? We run npx partykit dev. Yeah, sure. Let's let that happen. Okay. Sweet. It says not found. Okay, I see. Probably that I need to set this up first. That's okay. So if we come up to here and then it says put all that. This looks pretty much the same. No. It says Partykit not found. Okay, what is happening? Nope, can't reach. Why is this not working? Okay. If the poll exists, method will turn, otherwise will error out. Okay, is this the problem? Like, not getting error. Our site still works, yeah. Okay. Okay, this is on a post. On request. Method goes post. Do that. Otherwise. Okay. This dot. See, where are we even like going out here? Come on and start. Let's see. I want to just understand how to. Maybe let's just use AI to like, connect it. Maybe, yeah. Let's do that. Okay. Let's. I got AI for a reason, right? So, party / index.ts. I have added Partykit to the application. Can you please update the app to use Partykit to show the sticky note position changing on multiple browsers? Let's see if this is good enough prompt for it. I'm gonna run out of AI tokens at some point. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna update this. Yeah. See, this is one of the good and bad things about AI here is that like I don't have to look through the docs and learn all this stuff. Which, you know, good and bad. Okay, well, you know what? We've already got some progress here. I'm just kind of messing with it to see what's happening, and you can see already that we've got, when I add them, it doesn't change them yet, but I think that's gonna happen in a second. Oh, it's broken for a moment. That's okay. That's okay. Yep. This will be fixed in a second. There we go. Ah, you brought that back. That's okay. We'll go back to it all. I'm not worried about it. So far, this is pretty damn cool, though. So if I, is it moving yet? No, not yet. Now, I imagine that the text hasn't been saved, but that's okay. I'm gonna add database integration to this and everything. Okay. Great. Can we now update to allow the text in each sticky note to be updated via Partykit as well? Also, we will be adding Supabase integration soon. If we want to go ahead and build a framework for that. All right. Can I create a new project? Delete the project. Is it possible? No. Doing some other stuff on the side here. Okay, so not yet. Probably still doing more stuff. Okay. Computer just generated out of, I was saying gibberish. I think we'd all laugh. Yeah, I mean, that would be pretty funny, actually. I both love and hate how freaking easy it is to let AI do this stuff. Oops. Yeah. So if I... Not yet? Okay. We're getting there. Okay, after this, this. Okay. Pretty cool. How do you do it? I mean, I'm literally just telling Claude AI like, hey, this is what I want, and it comes up with it pretty easily, which is awesome. Both awesome and oh, there we go. Wait. Okay, it's a little bit kind of funky, but we'll make it work a little better. But we're getting there now. Oh my gosh. Oh, because I'm okay. We're gonna add Supabase integration, so database integration, which is gonna be pretty nice. Okay, I'm going to wind up like hiding the screen for a minute once it's ready, so that I can put these secrets that I need in here. Because obviously I don't want everybody seeing my secrets and stuff. My secrets. Hey, no worries. No worries, Ballin. I will send you the link to this later and you can mess with it if you want. I think it'll be cool. Oh, I like how it kind of like it rounds the corners when it hits the edge. It's actually really cool. I like it. I don't like that. We'll have to tell AI to fix that. Usually, when I see some kind of a performance issue, I tell AI, hey, this is not how this should perform. And it's like, oh, right. And then it fixes it. I love that. All right, and it's building a migration for me as well. We're going to add authentication later as well. Yeah, this is going to be pretty awesome, actually. All right, let's go ahead and copy and paste. Rename to just .env. All right. Okay. So now, okay. So kind of cool that it's already like that. But let me do this off screen for a second, guys. And let me just grab these these secrets so that you guys don't see my secrets. Okay, you can't see my secrets. You can't have them. They're mine, and you can't have them, guys. They're mine, and you can't have them. Okay, and then Partykit I don't have yet. I mean, I will. Okay, close that out. Okay, now. So how do I know? I probably need to restart my server completely. Okay. Now, I have to look in my database. Oh, I need to run this migration script. So if I come here, this is going to just create some sticky note stuff for me. SQL editor. You guys can't see this. Need to though. It's okay. Success. Okay, see you, Rupert. Cool. Okay, now. What point does it add a new? When does it add new? Maybe now I need to tell it. Okay, I've added the super base keys. How do I start using this? Okay, it actually hasn't used it yet. It hasn't done it yet, so that's cool. Oh, make the changes. I can change the name of the note too. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. It's got little notifications that say like, hey, we're connected on the database and stuff. Okay. Use the base. This is pretty cool. And say surprisingly easy, but I'm using AI to do it, so of course it's surprisingly easy. Yeah, we have nothing at the moment. Like it. Should have a queue. Let's see if this gets fixed. Okay. Do thing. I like how it actually redesigned my sticky notes for me, which is kind of funny. Based on like what I wanted to do, it kind of decided to change things, which I'm okay with, honestly. Let's let it keep going. It's mustering up some stuff. I should also commit this to a repo. I think we'll do that pretty soon as well. Okay, create some sticky notes and move them around, add text, refresh the page. Okay. Maybe I want to make sure that it doesn't kill my database. I don't know. Let's see. Let's refresh. Oh. Refresh and refresh. Be in the database. Add a sticky note. I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay. We have anything in the database? We don't seem to have anything in the database. It's not actually seeming to write to the database, which is interesting. Not like we don't seem to be having any errors. I see a couple of problems. Notes aren't saving to the database. I mean, are they? If I kill the server and then refresh, they're still there. Is that the Partykit? I'm so confused. Okay. Do I need to kill Partykit too? Okay. See, they're not saving to the database. let me update the text persistence through Partykit to only update when you leave the text area. Also, only save to the database when leaving the text area as well. All right, let's see if that helps. Let's see if this helps. I think it will. Yeah, we're having issues. So let's see. It understands my issue, so let's fix it. All right, we're also going to change the migration script in a minute. That's okay. Hope anybody who's here hanging out is having a good day. Hope you guys are learning something about how you could even build apps without really knowing how to program. You know, it's a lot of fun, and you can do some really cool stuff. Base connection successful. Connection seems good. Okay, I think we have this is part of the problem right here. Maybe? I don't know. Although it says we've updated it. Says that we have updated. We have no rows. Okay. At least that's definitely better. Another test. Okay. And then they're not updating. Interesting. Update result, no. Let's see if it knows, if it understands. It's not finding it, but blah. Yeah, okay, now we're gonna say, hey, we need to update this. Do things. Oh, and it's, oh man, I love the light and dark. Yes, update this. I'm just gonna let it do it. Do your thing. Do your thing. Sure. It's crystallizing now. Ooh. It's still not working. Okay. Still getting that. Okay, let's see. We're getting a bad request. All right, here we go. this is part of what's happening. We're having an issue with our database connection. I see. Sure. Sure. Let's do it. Can we get this working in a pretty good state in 2 hours? I think we can. I think we can get this to like a fun, a nice state. I'm gonna. Oh wait, I'm gonna deploy this as well. I'm gonna make it work. Make it a change. Doesn't make it a change. Well, and after this, we'll go ahead and initialize a GitHub repo. Just to make sure that we don't lose our work. Okay, we have a note in here. Oh my gosh, we have a note. We have a note. Okay, now are we reading it from? We are. We're specifically reading now. Let's restart our. Let's restart this. That way we shouldn't see any. Little wonky. Okay. What? What happened? Why is that one going away? Let's delete both of these. Okay, and then also restart our Partykit. Now, hopefully, see nothing here. What note? Some note. Okay. Move it around. We should have that. Okay, I think it was just a weird desync. We have ourselves so far a working database connected real-time note collect sticky note majigger. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're now going to set up a repo. So let's initialize a GitHub repo and create a .git. Okay, and then let's go ahead and bring version, the initial version of this. This is. Now we're doing the actual GitHub. Okay. Initialize this GitHub repository. Okay, now we have this. I mean, I guess you can make the initial commit. Okay. That's fine. I'm okay with it. Actually kind of cool. Yeah, we'll commit that. Okay. Thanks, we're good here. Okay. Now, if I can deploy this, and it'll be public, and then we'll add some more features. But I want this to be good. You know? It's actually really cool. And then we're gonna grab our things that we need. Oh, but I also have to do the, what do you call it? Like the actual Partykit, right? Yeah. So we have to deploy Partykit, and this should give me a thing. Okay, I'm doing this on a different screen so you guys don't see the stuff I'm doing. Okay. Rise this. Close this. Okay. Probably don't want you guys to see that URL either. So just a second. And that happened. I set up some variables that I need. Hopefully, this could take a minute to like make it work. Okay, let's deploy this. It'll take up to 2 minutes. That's fine. We'll let that happen. Back into this one. That. While I let this do its thing. So it's not on Partykit right now. It's not working with Partykit because my domain hasn't been secured with Vision. I'm not sure that did I copy this properly? You guys can see that. If I go to environment should be, hopefully that's, now it's not working at all, which is kind of unfortunate. My Partykit locally is not working either, which is weird. Oh, well, I know why that's not working for me. Like locally, should be able to just do that, and now Partykit should be fine. And then over here, why is it doing this? Okay. Oh, not again. Man, that's a weird desync issue. I'll have to figure that out too, but I'm still not sure why this is not. Wait, Partykit is connected. Oh. So if it's doing that. If I make a new one, okay. Okay, now I need to add in some functionality like deleting a sticky note, because I think that would be really useful. But you can see this. Yes. And let's see, I should be able to change as domain, make it easier. If I say note should be able to view this. Can indeed. Okay. So, if anybody's out there and wants to see this at that URL, it's not done, but hey, you know what? We're making good progress here. So, wait a minute. Did I? Let's see. Wait a minute. Is it really connected to my dev? What? How could it be? I just leaked all that. Oops. Okay, I'll have to change all that soon. But it's connected on my dev? How is that even possible? But it should be. What? Why? This is not. This is my actual hosted server. What? The Partykit integration only works when I have run npx partykit dev and seems to be connected to my local. Let's see what this says. Let's take a look at Partykit as well. Okay. Weird. I can't. Okay. Weird. Okay, logged in as me. I'm already logged in. Already deployed. Sure, but it shouldn't matter, right? I think. Oh my god, Lord! I think what I need to do is I need to clear. Okay. Now, can I think I need to reset the context. I think that'll help. Okay. I have already deployed to production and provided the Partykit URL in the environment variables, but the connection fails and Partykit dev. Let's see what happens. Seems to be. Let's see. Oh, really? Why is it so goofy? Okay. Don't show that. Whatever. I should have changed all that later. I could just make the change myself. We all do. Now, if I'm not running it. Okay, good. So now we've actually got it working. Let's, do I need to redeploy this or anything? Let's just deploy it and just make sure. I think we'll be okay. And then let's also deploy my change. Okay, should be okay now. How to restart the Partykit server. Oh. Let's redeploy the project. We're using process manager Partykit now. Should automatically use. Okay, so it should automatically do that. So let's clear out these. Delete. Okay. Now if I do this and do this, connected. Yeah. I think just if I redeploy stuff, I'll have to just clear out the stuff manually. I'll figure out a solution for that soon. Oh, this is nice. Okay. So now we want to add a button. We want to add a button to delete the, like to close a node. So, I mean, I could absolutely write this myself, but I think we're gonna go with AI on this, right? So, please add a button on the. Are we using sticky notes still? Like it didn't change that, right? Yeah, we're still using sticky note. Okay. How about? Oh my god. Please add a button that will remove the sticky note from the database and okay. Yep, we got this in a pretty good state, honestly. I think maybe we'll add in authentication next, and then like maybe allow you to have a shared set of sticky notes with another user. Yeah, I think that's a really good idea. Okay. Create a delete button. Have you though? Oh, that's deployed. Please implement the on the handle delete note. Why would it not have it? Why? What would you know about this? This looks so funky, but I'm gonna fix that soon. just okay. Let's make these changes. Let's get it. Okay. No, I don't think it's actually deleted. You're lying. Not lying. Can you please make it so that it broadcasts this so that it removes the Partykit as well? Delete this script. I'm gonna delete it. Let's delete it. Okay, does it though? It doesn't delete. Oh, wait, no, I'm on local. Oh, but I'm using. Can I use this instead? Okay, let's do a Partykit deploy. See if that helps. Maybe it's because there was a desync, not deleting. Scheduling Superbase save, delete node, delete, disconnect. Yeah, let's just see what happens. Maybe it just takes a second. I don't know. Okay. Quiet. I can't see the authentication stuff going on behind the scenes because you don't need to. Okay. So what if I add a sticky note? Oh, but it hasn't been. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Wait. I think. Let's redeploy it because that should get rid of the stuff. Or it just takes a second? No. Why are we inserting anything? Okay. Google authentication. I can't let you guys see all the stuff behind the scenes. This will be we're about to have ourselves some Google Auth set up in a second. I'll tell AI to set it up for us. It's nice and quick that way. Nice and quick that way. RL configuration. Alright, it definitely looks like nothing's happening. Stuff's going on, I promise. Have that. Okay. So now I should be able to say let's add this. But I want to make sure that we're like the things are working right here, because like seems like things are weird. No. Okay. Why are we inserting a hold on. Why are we doing this? Can I? Is there somewhere in here where it's? Oh. Can we like delete it after? Or does it only happen if there's no notes? Am I just crazy? Okay. We're still not deleting, unless it just is taking a while. But I don't like that being the case. Nope. It's saved, but if I delete this now, it has deleted it. It just hasn't removed it from this. Why? This one isn't a big deal. However, it's gonna. It's so weird. What's happening? Yeah, it's okay. We're getting there. Let's. When clicking delete, the note gets deleted from Superbase, but then still stays on screen and is interactable. Okay, should not be the case. I'll worry about fixing this. Shouldn't be interacted with. Finding things or what? Let's let us do its thing. We're gonna stop in a few minutes. I think we've reached a good point. I'm gonna do some more tweaks to it and post in maybe Discord or something. I'm gonna add authentication and stuff. I think this is gonna be really cool, actually. Broken for a second. It's going to fix it soon. Hopefully. Yeah, okay. Immediately mark notes deleted. And then you need to mark. You need to remove it from the thing. Yes, exactly. Yep. All right, guys. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and stop here, but I'll show you guys in Discord and stuff, and see where this goes. All right. Thanks everybody who was hanging out, and I'll see you guys.